We finally have the first AI integrated MUCAR 892BT OBD2 scanner for all your vehicles. 5 times faster compared to any other OBD2 scanner, with 2 GHz 4-core CPU and an 8-inch touchscreen with built-in battery. And I especially love the wireless connection to your car. Instead of just giving you codes, the AI will give you full description and even tutorials on how to deal with the problem yourself. It can also communicate with your vehicle and test out the car functionalities to check for issues before the issues get worse. It handles all routine tasks like oil lights, brake bleeds, and calibration like windows and transmissions, so your car is always in its best shape. It reads and clears trouble codes instantly, which is extremely helpful when that check engine light suddenly appears. What makes the device even better is how beginner friendly it is. It's compact, easy to carry, and the app explains trouble codes in clear, simple language. The AI assistant told me what's wrong with the car. The ECM issue, the front grille shutter doesn't automatically open. It even tells me I could drive it, but just definitely get it checked. It'll give me less miles. And then the airbag issue, low air pressure. So just get that checked. So in the very end, it's not broken. It's something I feel like I could just get it fixed from a mechanic that I trust. So it's definitely awesome to have something like this. I never had a scanner that told me how to fix it or told me what was wrong with it. Every scanner that I own, it just seemed very complicating, and you have to Google the codes that popped out. I had no idea. I've had a couple of different scanners and I never knew what it was, but this thing tells you all about it, so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And this thing allows you to email the records to your mechanic, which is absolutely crazy. Answer questions. Look at that. It uses AI to just answer your questions, which is really cool. So very futuristic. Just as a bonus, it's got Google Chrome, and you could download apps and play games and watch movies and entertain yourself while you're on your break. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or just someone trying to save money on diagnostics, the MUCAR 892BT offers powerful features and make it a tool that easily pays for itself.